Like in the beginning, I didn't have confidence to put out this content, but through the positive reinforcements I'm getting from you, I'm building confidence because I'm a state certified instructor and I want to help all of you pass your test, get over anxiety, get your independence because no one is going to do it except for you. I had a client, she was 25 years old. She messaged me yesterday. I don't have my license. I'm 25. What do I do? Here's what you do. You go to the Secretary of State. You take your test. It's called the TIP, a temporary instruction permit. You pass your test, you do your eye test, you drive for 30 days. You have someone help you. It could be your uncle, your auntie, older sister or brother. Then when you're ready, you go take your road test. And we keep our fingers crossed, you pass that test, but you have to practice. The world is full of distractions. If you're hungry, if you haven't paid your bills, you have a dog, you have a cat, you have a child, we're always preoccupied with, I have a meeting after this. My mind is on the meeting. Then I have to get home. There's a lot going on in our lives, and we need to take a step back